Django's redirects app doesn't work with URL parameters. I recently installed Django's default redirects app on my site using the exact instructions specified. Ensured Django.contrib.sites framework is installed, added Django.contrib.redirects to installed_apps, added Django.contrib.redirects.middleware.redirect fallback middleware to middleware, migrated database using manage.py migrate. The app works great when my URL is clean, like so. Redirect setting, /page/to/redirect/ when I visit this URL equals greater than redirects to this URL. However, the redirects don't work when URL parameters are appended to the end of my URL, like so. Redirect setting, /page/to/redirect/ when I visit this URL equals greater than throws HTTP 404 error, page not found. Ideally, I'd like my redirects to preserve URL parameters, like so. Redirect setting, /page/to/redirect/ when I visit this URL equals greater than redirects to this URL. Is there a way to force the redirects app to preserve URL parameters per the above?
You need to write your own custom redirect fallback middleware by subclass Django.contrib.redirects.middleware.redirect fallback middleware and override process_response method of Django.contrib.redirects.middleware.redirect fallback middleware. Custom_redirect_middleware.py. In this custom redirect fallback middleware, I simply separated URL parameters from full_absolute_path. 2. Next got exact redirect_path of separated full_absolute_path form Django.contrib.redirects database. 3. Then appended the URL parameters which separated from full_absolute_path is to redirect_path. 2. Remove Django.contrib.redirects.middleware.redirect fallback middleware from your settings.py and add below line to middleware of settings.py. All the bellow cases working very fine. With no URL parameters. With one URL parameter. With more than one URL parameters. Update. Fixed raising of 404 when URL with no trailing slash. Hope this helps.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.